Store it. Oh no, sneeze. If you sneeze 3 times, you die. Did we ever talk about that? What if you... Okay, I'm gonna bring something up. Did we ever discuss this? That if you sneezed 3 times over the course of your life, you would die on the 3rd sneeze? You know how hard that would be to live? No. Imagine you get 10 sneezes over the course of your whole life. And on the 10th sneeze, you instantly, your brain turns off, your heart stops, and you die. You know what you would go through? You know how you get that feeling I'm about to sneeze? People would go through anything to not have that happen. You know, you would like shove fucking lemons in your eyes and you would like squeeze your nutsack to like not sneeze. But still, you grab your nuts, you're like, oh, fuck, that was 1. How many did I do? Because you can make yourself not sneeze. I've done it before, lots of times. If you like grab, you would just grab the nearest can or the nearest device and you would just smash it into your face or something to make sure you didn't sneeze. And all those people that are at like the 9th sneeze, oh, you're gonna be at a funeral soon. You know, like and all your friends would know that. Like, you know, like the guy that sneezed 7 or 8 times already. Imagine hanging out with that guy. And you're on like the bumper boats. You're on like the go-karts. Or you're like sitting on a plane with him. Hey, did you see that latest episode of Grey's Anatomy? Yeah, me too. It was really cool. I liked how she when she went to... It's like, what do? You're on a plane with the guy. You're on a plane with this guy. Do you tell anybody? Excuse me, miss. That's his 10th sneeze. And it's like, oh, yeah, all right. Like they just like fucking put him in a body bag and ship him back to wherever he was. They just open up the plane and drop him out. You would be on like the subway. People would just be sneezing. How many times do you hear somebody sneeze a day? It's actually kind of weird because not very many. So this wouldn't be as big of a deal as we're making it sound. I think over the course of an entire day, let's say I went to like PAX East, for instance. Maybe you'll hear 3 sneezes over the course of the whole weekend. So statistically, a lot of people probably wouldn't even die sneezing on the 10th sneeze. You'd look up like, it'd be like statistics. It's like, oh, and here we have the yearly statistics of how people died in the United States. Here we have at number 3, we have the car accidents with 525. And number 2, it's getting hit by a bus at 1,444. And again, oddly enough, you know, how is this possible? At number 1, 10th sneeze, 68 million people died last year. You would just be like, oh yeah, of course. The legendary 11th sneeze. Yeah, and there would be that guy. There'd be that guy or that girl that would sneeze the 11th time and be terrified, and here comes the last sneeze, and you sneeze. You're about to fucking sneeze, and you just call. You call your mother. You're like, Mom, I'm gonna sneeze for the 10th time. I just want to let you know I love you. And you don't die. And then all of a sudden you become like the guy, like the new Superman. And they like want to dissect you and find out why you didn't die on the 11th sneeze. What happens if you sneeze? What happens? Does anybody know what happens? Does anybody know what happens if you sneeze like 10 times in a row? What happens if you sneeze like 10 times in a row? I can't. What is it? 20. Fuck! Oh no! Is there any more? This is the most times I've ever sneezed in my entire life.